Emergency alert. Your bulk is a disaster. You're either a option A, skinny fat with visible abs but no muscle, or a option B, a fluffy bear with muscle buried under fat. But what if I told you there's a option C, stolen from Hollywood trainers, where you eat like a king, lift like a savage, and keep your abs sharp enough to cut glass? But that's only for celebrities. Wrong. This is the naked truth about bulking for aesthetics. Let's make your ex regret everything. If you're ready to break your limits and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of, then Bulk Up Bro is your channel. Why most guys end up fluffy? Let's get real. Bulking is supposed to be the fun part, right? Eat big, lift big, grow big. But why do most guys end up looking like they're smuggling a Thanksgiving turkey under their shirt? Here's the problem. Dirty bulking is a trap. Yeah, eating pizza and ice cream sounds awesome, but your body isn't a garbage disposal. It's more like a luxury car. Would you pour cheap gas into a Ferrari? Of course not. So why fuel your gains with junk? But bro, doesn't more calories equals more muscle? No. Your body can only build so much muscle each month. Stuffing your face with 5,000 calories of trash just means storing fat, not sculpting a Greek god physique. Bulking is like building a house. You need bricks as calories and a blueprint as nutrition. Dirty bulking is tossing bricks everywhere and hoping a mansion appears. Clean bulking. You're an architect. Every brick has a purpose. Dirty versus clean. The battle for your abs. Let's cut through the BS. Why do guys end up fluffy even after eating for gains? Because they're confusing bulking with gorging. Dirty bulking is the seafood diet. Eat everything, no rules. Sounds fun, right? But here's the kicker. Your abs disappear faster than your willpower at a buffet. Yeah, you'll gain muscle, but you'll also pack on enough fat to make your six-pack look like a spare tire. Insulin spikes, bloat, and a cut phase so brutal you'll wish you'd never started. Now, clean bulking. Think of your body like a luxury car. You wouldn't fuel a Ferrari with sludge, so why feed your gains with junk? A precision-engineered surplus of whole foods means slower gains, but 80% of what you gain is pure muscle. Your abs. Still there. Energy. Sky high. And you won't panic when it's time to take your shirt off. But hey, if dirty bulking works, why do most guys end up looking like a deflated balloon after they're cut? Eat big to get big is bro science for, I'm too lazy to track my macros. You want a real challenge? Try staying lean while growing. That's how you separate the rookies from the pros. Gain muscle, not fluff. Here's how to bulk like a pro, without turning into a marshmallow. The 10% rule. Fuel growth, not fat. Your calorie surplus is like a gas pedal. Push too hard, and you'll crash. Aim for a 10% surplus above maintenance. That's 300 to 500 extra calories for most guys. Why? Because your body can only build 0.5 lbs of muscle per week. Stuffing yourself with 1,000 extra calories? That's just funding your future cut. Pro tip, natural lifters don't have steroid-level nutrient partitioning. Stick to 10%, or you'll end up with more fluff than gains. Track your calories for 3 days. If you're guessing, you're losing. Protein priority. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Period. Protein isn't just for gains. It's your hunger killer and fat loss ally. Why? Because protein's thermic effect burns 30% of its calories during digestion. Translation: more muscle, less fat. Pro tip: mix animal-based like chicken, eggs, and plant proteins like lentils, tofu. Your gut and gains will thank you. Don't binge protein shakes. Spread intake every 3 to 4 hours to maximize muscle synthesis. Carb cycling. Hack your insulin. Training days. Load carbs to crush workouts and recover faster. Rest days. Drop carbs. Focus on fats and protein. Why? Because carbs spike insulin. Great for fueling lifts. Terrible for fat storage on lazy days. Pro tip: carbs post-workout equals muscle fuel. Carbs on the couch equals love handles. If you're still fluffy, lower rest day carbs by 20% and replace them with avocado or nuts. The abs check test. Weigh yourself weekly. Gaining more than 0.5 to 1 pound? You're overeating. Adjust. Why? Because muscle grows slow. Fat doesn't. If you're adding 2 pounds per week, 75% is fluff. Pro tip: use the mirror, not just the scale. If your abs fade, your surplus is dirty. Take monthly progress photos in the same lighting. Your eyes lie. The camera doesn't. Lift smart, not just heavy. Let's get one thing straight. Bulking doesn't mean turning into a sloth. You think skipping cardio and smashing PRs every day is the shortcut to gains? Newsflash: your joints aren't made of titanium. Would you wear a suit 3 sizes too big? No. Then why train like a gorilla with no plan? Your workouts should be tailored, sharp, structured, and designed to make your best features pop. Compound lifts first. Always. Squats, deadlifts, bench. These aren't optional. They're your hormonal cheat code. But here's the kicker. Are you lifting for muscle or for Instagram? 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Controlled, brutal, no ego, that's how you grow. Not by heaving 400 pounds with your spine. Cardio kills gains, really? Or are you just scared of a treadmill? 20 minutes of steady state, twice a week, keeps your heart healthy and your abs visible. But go ahead, skip it. Let's see how shredded you look after 6 months of dirty bulking. Here's the truth. Swinging weights like a pendulum doesn't make you strong, it makes you fragile. You want a chest? Try owning 200 pounds with perfect form. Your future self will thank you when you're 50 and still lifting. So ask yourself, are you here to look strong or be strong? The Forever Bulk doesn't play games. Surviving the slow gains grind. Let's get brutally honest. Clean bulking is a test of your ego. You want that overnight transformation? Go chase a miracle pill. But if you're serious about a physique that lasts, answer this. Would you rather look okay year-round or godlike for 2 weeks after starving yourself? Slow gains equals sustainable gains. But let's be real. How many of you quit after a month because your abs didn't pop like a Marvel superhero's? Newsflash. Chris Hemsworth didn't build Thor's body in a day. Tracking progress is boring. Cool. So is being average. You think the guys with year-round abs aren't weighing their food or taking progress pics. They're just better at hiding the grind. Here's the secret weapon. Abs in a bulk aren't luck. They're a middle finger to mediocrity. Every meal you track, every rep you grind, every month you stay consistent, that's your badge of discipline. But hey, if fast gains worked, why do most guys yo-yo between shredded and fluffy every year? Patience isn't a weakness. It's the cheat code to staying naked ready 24/7. So ask yourself, are you here for a quick high or a legacy? The grind doesn't care, but your future self will. Let's cut to the chase. Dirty bulking gets you temporary size and permanent regret. You want to look like a swollen balloon for Instagram likes? Go ahead. But if you're after a physique that screams, I don't just lift, I strategize, clean bulking is your only play. Would you rather be bloated for 6 months or sculpted for life? This isn't about starving. It's about outsmarting. Every meal is a move in a chess game. Checkmate. A body that turns heads at the gym, the beach, and the grocery store. But bro, slow gains suck. Yeah. So does cutting for 12 weeks just to maybe see your abs. Clean bulking isn't a diet. It's a lifestyle hack. The mirror doesn't lie. You're either building a legacy or a laundry list of excuses. Stay consistent. Stay lean. And ask yourself, am I here for a quick ego boost or lifelong respect? Your move. Drop a comment below. Dirty or clean? Which bulk are you choosing? Let's debate. If you're ready to transform your body without losing your abs, hit that like button, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. Share this with your gym buddy who still thinks bulking means eating 12 donuts a day. And if you're still torn between size and shreds, my next video will blow your mind. How to build muscle in a calorie deficit. Yeah, it's possible. See you there. If you love this video, you'll probably like the next one.